Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the stickers to your video in CapCut PC. So import your video and add to track. So it's so super simple. If you want to add sticker, just click sticker and select sticker you like. Available here. For example, you can change for the duration, just body position and resize. You can copy paste. So you can put as an overlay. Add another sticker, like so. So super simple. That's how you can add sticker to your video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also